Yeah, I don't know how someone can say I support it, but I don't agree with it, because I don't support anything I don't agree with. Interesting. I'm so glad that you said this so I can actually address this issue. This comment right here is an example of why we have so many issues in our society. This commenter right here, or this thought process, or this ideology is the reason why we can't have conversations today. The thought process that you can't support someone if you don't agree with them is somewhat childish and idiotic. You can disagree with someone and still believe that they deserve human rights. Yes, some people aren't in support of the LGBTQ community, but that doesn't mean that they necessarily believe that you aren't human. People who are in opposition to the LGBTQ community aren't in opposition to your right to live or your human rights. They're in opposition to the things that you believe. They're in opposition to the idea that we should just throw science and logic in the trash and prioritize our own feelings. No one's in opposition to your right to live or your rights as a human. So this idea that you can't support someone if you don't agree with them is somewhat childish and idiotic. Just because we believe there's a certain amount of genders doesn't mean you're not human. Just because we believe certain people can't be men or women doesn't mean you're not a human. You're still a human. You still deserve human